So the Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is going to be the successor of the Ulefone Armor Pad. This rugged tablet is a lot more better than the Ulefone Armor Pad, and it's a lot more comparable to the likes of the Oukitel RT7 Titan and the Blackview Active 8 Pro. It's a very nice rugged tablet. So as we usually do on the channel, we'll be exploring the top features of the Armor Pad 2. The device is coming very soon, but I don't know when. Anyway, there are lots of other rugged devices coming very soon. Doogee will be releasing its own 200MP camera rugged phone. It's gonna be called the Doogee V30 Pro. I just hope this phone has a much more better processor, not the Helio G99, because it's coming with a 200MP camera, just like the F150B2 Ultra. I'll update you guys regarding the smartphone in a separate video. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let's quickly explore the top features of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2. So the Armor Pad 2 is a rugged tablet. It is designed to be rugged. It has a really nice rugged design. It comes in two colors, yellow and black, and it is the only tablet with a really bright LED flash at the back. I believe so. The tablet is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is resistant to water, dust, high pressure jets, and so on. It is also military grade standard H10H certified. The rugged tablet also has a USmart expansion connector where you can connect different devices such as a digital microscope, an HD camera endoscope, and a dual camera endoscope, and so on like that. The phone has an 11-inch display with a higher resolution than Full HD. I think it's 2K according to Ulefone. The display of the phone is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. The phone has a single rear camera. It's a 48MP sensor. It also has a 16MP front-facing camera. The phone is packed with a huge 18,600 mAh battery, which is great, and it supports 33 watt fast charging. The device also supports reverse wired charging. In terms of memory, the phone has 8GB RAM that is expandable. The device also ships with a 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a microSD card. The phone also runs on the latest Android 13, and it's the stock version of Android, which means you'll be getting absolutely no bloatware that would occupy space, and you'll be getting the latest security updates and so on. So other features of the phone includes stereo speakers, NFC, face unlock, fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.2, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a customizable key, and the device has 3 card slots. That is, you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. So these are some of the top features of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2. As you can see, it's a lot better than the Ulefone Armor Pad, and it can be compared with the Oukitel RT7 Titan and the Blackview Active 8 Pro, which of course I'll be doing. I'll be comparing the specs of this device with the Oukitel RT7 Titan and the Blackview Active 8 Pro in a separate video. Anyway, these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2. What do you guys think about this new rugged tablet from Ulefone? I'd like to hear your thoughts, so share them in the comment section below. And like I mentioned earlier, I'll be talking about the Doogee V30 Pro, which is Doogee's first rugged phone with a 200MP camera, and there are other rugged phones coming very soon as well. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.